Hey friends, if you wish to get help with Microsoft Paint in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, there's no specific way to get help from Paint. You can open the Get Help app in general and open the Get Help app. We'll wait till it loads. Okay, and then you can search for your query related to Paint, like how to highlight on Paint, and it will start searching for your self-help article. Okay, and then you can go to the relevant the page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.